What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a slow draining or clogged drain. Alright, so here's below our sink, and this is the PTrap, and this is probably the culprit of our problem. Over time this will slowly get clogged up by, you know, soap scum, hair, and other things that might fall down your drain. What a PTrap does is this little dip right here will always have water in it. So now with the water right there, the sewer gas won't be able to come back up and go into your house. So that's why it's very important to have a PTrap that's functioning correct. So we're going to want to go ahead and put a bucket underneath this PTrap. If you don't have a bucket, you can always use an empty waste basket. Alright, so we're going to loosen this up to the left. Now some of you might have plastic fittings, so don't wrench down on these too tight. Just go ahead and keep loosening up. Go ahead and loosen this up all the way. Just slips up. Alright, now we'll loosen this back one up. Now once we got that back one loosened up, it should just pull right down. Oh, look at that. So now, there's our culprit. Bunch of scummed up hair. Alright, now if you come back up into your sink, you stick a flashlight down that hole, you can see all the gunk that's in there. No obstructions anymore, looks pretty clean. Alright, now to reassemble. Take our PTrap, slip it back on. There we go. Tighten it down by hand, just turning it to the right. Now hand tighten this back one. There we go. Take our channel locks again. Give it a couple turns. There we go. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and dry off all of our fittings. Run the water. Now we're going to check these fittings to see if any of them are leaking. Alright, that looks good. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel. Check my other vids out. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. And remember, keep on doing it yourself, guys. Thanks.